It is our office, and then in the winter time, people they are lazy to go to company. And we have the meeting room, small meeting room here, and this is my room. Normally I will stay here and look at outside in the winter, and it's time to go back. This is my college, and we will go back right now. I just give you a tour of our building. We are located inside the Auto Startup Center. Really cold. This is the office. This is the hang is over there. It's really cold here. And then this is our office, and then we park the cars outside. Yep, and then this is inside the Auto University. It's not university, but like auto campus startups here. Startup, but we have the BMW. Okay. Hey guys, I'm driving back to pick up my son. This is a startup life in Finland. Now outside temperature is around -8 degree, and it's really cold, and the wind just goes. You can camera there. Yeah. Now it's 2:30 p.m. But it's really cold and dark outside. Wow, but like it's exciting. And I just want to share to you a little bit about my daily life as a startup founder and investor in Finland. So actually here we focus on work productive. It's not work a lot, but every day we just work around 5 to 7 hours. Then we met a lot of partners here. I just want to make the video today to introduce you how cold Finland is. Actually, at my side, it's really cold. In the car, everything is okay, but when you go outside, the wind with the snow and the temperature -10 degrees, it's really cold. But the problem is the startup here is still active, really active. Yep. And now is Christmas time. Here they have a culture in Christmas time. They will not just work a lot, but like be relaxed with this season, and invite some friends with your party, with the year-end party, with your family, with your company also. And this is a really good culture. We don't need to only working, but we also have a resting time. Yeah, we can swim outside. Wow, it's the happiest country in the world. And as a startup founder and an investor, I think here is a good place to live. It's a really good place to live. And doing business here is quite productive and simple. They don't make it complicated, but everything is quite simple. Yeah. Everything here is structured. As a startup founder, you can access your funding here quite easy. I just applied for temple funding of Business Finland, and hopefully that I can get the funding soon. Yeah, and then the government here also support you for your startup. A lot of accelerators here, or from Helsinki, from Espoo, they really appreciate the new idea. They quite proactive for their supporting. So, and about technology assessment, you can assess to everything quite easy here than another country. For example, you can easy to connect with the gateway payment here. For example, in Finland, if you want to have a DUNS number, the DUNS number, that you can deploy the Apple apps, or like joining Apple developer program. It's very easy. You don't need to register for DUNS. Already the company here they have the DUNS number already. It's so save your money a lot. Yeah, and that's all. Yeah, it's on the street, and my friends, you see.